Hi guys, I'm Jackie. Welcome to Gone Potty Gardening. Well, it's been quite miserable and wet, and I just haven't been in the garden much, but yesterday I did actually. I went in the Polytunnel. I'm taking you along while I'm going to the shop to get a few bits, but yeah, I was in the Polytunnel yesterday and cleared out a few bits and pieces in there. Let me just get out of here. I have this little cross in the car just for luck. So I hope it keeps us safe. I'm not religious or anything like that. So looking forward to, next year. I hope we have a nicer kinder weather next year so we can enjoy it a bit more. You can never tell, can you? In that floodwater, I'll stop and show you on the way back, but there's about 14 swans in there. Let's move that out of the way because it's annoying. There's quite a few swans in there, so every year they come. Yeah. I can't get proper footage of them because our neighbour's put his big trailer across the entrance to the field, so I can't really get a good as picture as a picture as good as I would like, or a bit of video. So so I'm just nipping down to the local village or town, Ballyhaunis it's called. The roads are very quiet and it's a Sunday, so yeah, just need a few little bits. I think there might be a little bit of competition in the town soon because we've got the Audi coming, which would be quite nice, I mean, it's a shame in some ways because it takes away from the the local people, doesn't it, trying to survive and run a business. But yeah, I'll turn you around so you can see how dull it is today. There's a little bit of sky trying to poke out, but yeah, quite a dull day really. This is our local little shop down in the town. Not bad really, get some good bargains in here, but like some things are dearer, but it's handy. I'll turn it round so you can see some of where I'm going. See, it's quite a nice day. On the corner there, their lawn is always absolutely immaculate, even in the winter. Not one weed on it. It's lovely. Take great pride in that. I'll pop a few little photos I've taken of about just the last couple of days at the end of the video, and but I love days like this. What is it, 7 degrees, but it's lovely, really nice. We've got another probably just over 2 weeks lockdown left, and then it'd be nice to be able to, even if it's just stay in your county, it'd be nice to be able to get out. Yeah, all the storms we've had have made the poultry fence a bit loose, so I want to change that a little bit as well and move a compost bin. So there's bits and pieces that I'll be doing, and if the weather's really bad, I'll just do some video, and I'll just do a talk over on the video. So yeah, this is our road, and you can see when we drive down, you'll be able to see the flooding. It's a little bit there. That goes really high though. That usually it can come right over to the road. But yeah, it's a lovely sunny day. Not many people about. I love the colours over here, the browns and the so many shades of green. It's lovely. I'll stop up here and see if I can see them swans. I can't see the swans, but there was about 14 on there. So this is all floodwater, so if I start from there. But every year it comes, the same flood. Looks beautiful though, isn't it? I love it. All the wildlife that comes there. Stunning. Yeah, so that's it everyone. I just thought I'd check in with you. Oh, nearly driving into the flood. Now I thought I'd check in with you all, make sure you're all right, and I'll be uploading a video very soon. And today's a bit of a catch-up day, so yeah. Anyway, take care everyone, and talk to you soon. Bye for now. Here's a little bit of footage slowed down of the swans that land in the floodwater every year. It's amazing how they know where to come, or they just always come to the same place. Check those swans out, look at them. There's more than two, there's a few, there's about 8 altogether. But when I walked across to see, there was only these 2, and they flew across for me. How magical's that? Lovely, aren't they? They make a racket at night, but it's lovely being across the road. You can just walk across and see them. Anyway, have a great day. Why not come and join me on Facebook or Instagram? The link is in the description.